Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our inequality problem. Let's review our previous solution first. We created a function that prints all the information about the problem. This function has three parameters: file name, variables, and formula. Today I will create a tuple that will contain all these three parameters. So this one variable will contain all the information we need about the problem. I will call it analysis. So I have analysis. It's equal the first parameter is the file name, problem.txt. Okay. The second one is the variables. So variables. And the last one is the formula. Okay, and the formula is this one. Okay, so this is the tuple. Now the present problem will use the content of the analysis tuple. So that's asterisk analysis. So asterisk analysis is the content of the analysis tuple. Okay, then what we have? Well, we have here variables. So variables is now analysis of, so let's see what is the index. So first one is problem, the second one is variable. We are indexing from 0 to that index. It is analysis of 0, and this one it's analysis of 1. The last one will be analysis of 3, the formula. So variables, it's analysis of 1. Okay, we are pretty much done. So what we have now? We have one function, this one, present problem, that prints all the problem, and we have all the information about the problem. This is the translation of this problem in a computer-friendly language. So, and we are calling present problem of our analysis, and then the next one is the solution. I will save this file and execute it. I am expecting the very same result as in the previous tutorial. Okay, which I got. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded.